Hello, we're doing a seasonal video today. As on the fields, as there's hay baling and haystacks, and what's the place? What are we going to see down the road?
Weselton, the heather at Weselton.
And we're going to see the heather at Weselton.
The lovely purple colours.
All the colours are now starting to come out. And should be good. So it's like a Suffolk landscape video. I love it. And we found a World War II pillbox in the centre of the field. Which was quite a nice feature.
It's amazing to think, in a good way, that these were actually obviously never used. There's no Axis force ever set foot on mighty Blighty.
Just approached the second pillbox on the farm. Goes all the way around. The entrance is there. Should we go in? See if I can freak myself out. Oh, we're in. Oh, no, this is a little hexagon one. Look at this. Christ, I bet there's tons of big spiders in here. Oh dear God. Moths and stuff. The view to the other field. Oh, there. Oh, I can hear noises. What's that? Oh. Fly or something, I don't know. Oh dear God. I'm freaking myself out, I'm getting out. Shouldn't really give myself the creepy crawlies going in there.
So that was fun, wasn't it?
Oh, brilliant, I loved it.
Have a nice afternoon in a sunny Suffolk field. The footage of the tractor, the guys doing the baling, we actually know the landowner, and we got permission from the landowner, and we personally know everyone who was working that machinery, so no one was put in danger or were unaware what was going on. Just safety first again.
Yep, definitely. Can't go randomly.
No,
flying about.
No. So we're now finished here. I think a pit stop at a watering hole is in order. And then on to Weselton Heath.
Yep.
Which is a beautiful area, just only 20 minutes, 30, 25 minutes away from here. Where Dartford warblers are, but I don't know whether we'll see any, but there's some beautiful pink and purple heather. We're going to spend sunset on the heath for some pretty colours and a sunset. Here's hoping.
Hopefully, yeah.
We've made it down to Weselton, where the colours are pretty good. I can see 3 or 4 silver birches in the distance that I might try and use as a composition. It's one of those places that is, as I said earlier, pretty on the eye, but fairly difficult to find a composition. So I found a tree. It's going to be, well, it's the best I can do really, so we'll just see how it goes. Wait for the light. I'm going to put the drone up just to get some footage of the general area. We'll see what happens.
Here on Weselton Heath,
Yeah.
we're finishing up. Personally, I'm coming away uninspired.
Like most evenings.
What, that I'm uninspired?
I was joking.
That's your problem,
Gemma
not
is
mine.
discussing whether to do some night photography. I am not. We've just been having a discussion. I'm not a massive fan of night photography. It
Which
can look
means we're
great.
not doing it.
No, it doesn't mean we're not doing it. But
Nearly fell over there.
what is the shot then?
What is put on the spot like that?
There you go.
I can't tell you, but
Well, there's
I'm
a van going past with its headlights on.
I'm envisioning a portrait past the trees, because I want to get out of all this green, the heather and the moon, but I don't know until I get over there.
You do know the moon is very high in the sky.
It is very high in the
That's
sky.
going to be difficult.
No,
to
it's going to be a
start.
pano. Judging by your eyebrows, what's the point?